Hello, I hope you and your family are well today. Let's see what we're going to look at today. And let's make my picture a little bit bigger. Okay, so today we are looking at holiday plans. We're going to do some reading a diary page and answering questions. Do you know what a diary is? This is a little book where you will write appointment dates, things to help you remember, important things that you want to go to, that you want to remember. You write in a diary. And answer questions. Okay, we've got questions here. And also, you're going to do some speaking, asking and answering questions about holiday plans clearly. So if we're thinking about plans, are we thinking about before or now or the future? What do you think? Yes, that's correct. We're thinking about the future. And the lady, we're going to listen to a lady and read her diary talking about her holiday plans. So where do you think she's going? Have a look at this flag. Do you know which country this flag represents? And how do you think she's travelling? Let's have a look, find out more. So, in a moment, you're going to listen and read Ellie's diary. So this is Ellie, and this is her diary that she has been writing in. Things that she wants to remember, that's important, for next week. Is she talking about now? No, she's thinking about the future, next week. This is her diary, and as you can see, the month July. What month is it now? That's correct, it's June. So it's not now, it's next month, July. And if you have a look at these words, they're short words for days of the week. Which day do you think this is? That's correct, Monday. And the date, the 6th. What day is it today? What's the date? That's correct, it's Monday, the 29th of June. So this is next week. It's not now, it's next week, the future. And then the next shortened word is choose. Which day is that? Tuesday, the 7th of July. And this word here, wed, Wednesday, the 8th of July. And this shortened day, Thursday, the 9th of July. Friday, the 10th of July. Saturday, the 11th of July. And Sunday, the 12th of July. Well done. So have a look. I'm going to try and get this on the screen at the same time as listening. So have a quick look and see if you can read what she's going to be doing next week. And listen. The question that I want you to think about and answer is, why is she excited? Do you know this word excited? Perhaps you feel excited about something that's happening in the future that's interesting and makes you feel excited, basically. Joyful, happy. Children often get excited at Christmas and Eid when they know they're going to get presents. So that's that kind of feeling. So let's find out why Ellie is feeling excited. Listen carefully. Let's see if we can find the recording. Ah, yeah, there we go.
Unit 14, Tape Script 14.1. Ellie's holiday plans.
I'm going on holiday to Mexico next Friday, so next week's very busy. On Monday, I'm collecting my tickets from the travel agent. I'm going on holiday with my friends, Ed and Lucy. So on Tuesday, I'm meeting them after work and we're going shopping. On Wednesday, I'm seeing the doctor at 11 o'clock. Then I'm having lunch with Mum. On Thursday, I'm leaving work early and I'm packing. I'm taking just a bag and a rucksack. Then it's Friday. Friday's the big day. At 6:30 in the morning, I'm going by taxi to the airport. I'm meeting Ed and Lucy there, and at 9:30, we're flying to Mexico City. I'm very excited.
Okay, so why do you think she is excited? Yes, that's correct. She's flying to Mexico. Let's just quickly look back at the first page. So this flag is for Mexico, and that's how she's traveling. She's flying. She's flying to Mexico next Friday. Very exciting. Okay, so the next thing I'd like you to do is to listen again, and this time for a little bit more detail. You will need pencil and paper to write the words that are missing. If you look at the sentence, for example, sentence number 1, on Monday, she's collecting her, and then there's a word missing from the travel agent. So listen carefully and see if you can write the missing word in the gap. Pause if you need to, if you want to write the word and then continue the video. You can go back at any point in the video and look at the diary page. So you can read on the diary page too to find the answers. So let's listen and see if we can find the answers. We've got 5 sentences here.
Unit 14, Tape Script 14.1. Ellie's holiday plans.
I'm going on holiday to Mexico next Friday, so next week's very busy. On Monday, I'm collecting my tickets from the travel agent. I'm going on holiday with my friends, Ed and Lucy. So on Tuesday, I'm meeting them after work and we're going shopping. On Wednesday, I'm seeing the doctor at 11 o'clock. Then I'm having lunch with Mum. On Thursday, I'm leaving work early and I'm packing. I'm taking just a bag and a rucksack. Then it's Friday. Friday's the big day. At 6:30 in the morning, I'm going by taxi to the airport. I'm meeting Ed and Lucy there, and at 9:30, we're flying to Mexico City. I'm very excited.
I think we'll try again and see if we can get the screen and the recording at the same time. Okay, let's continue and look at the answers. So, on Monday, she's collecting her tickets from the travel agent. Do you know what a travel agent is? Yes, it's a special shop where they sell holidays, hotels, and tickets for flights. Many people now use the internet themselves, but some people still like to discuss a holiday with a travel agent. On Tuesday, she's meeting Ed and Lucy after work, and they're going shopping. On Wednesday, she's seeing the doctor at 11 o'clock. Then she's having lunch with her mother. On Thursday, she's leaving work early and she's packing her bags. On Friday at 6:30, she's going by taxi to the airport. At 9:30, she's flying to Mexico. So perhaps you heard some of those red words that are missing in the sentences and were able to write them down. You can check now. So, if we're thinking then about sentences, let's have a look at the grammar. And the grammar in those sentences were present continuous for future plans. So we've got the red words here are verbs and the black words are pronouns, subject pronouns. So if we're talking about ourselves, we use I am plus the verb plus ing. I am, I'm. So often when we're speaking, we shorten those words. I am, I'm. And we have he, she, and it is, plus the verb, plus ing. So we have, for example, she is, we can shorten to she's. And we have you, we, and they are, plus the verb, plus ing. They are, there. We can shorten it to there. So these are positive. And if we're looking at negative, I'm not plus the verb plus ing. He is not or isn't plus the verb plus ing. And they are not, aren't plus the verb plus ing. Just make my picture a little bit bigger so you can see me again. I am, I'm, and negative, I'm not. He is, he's. Negative, he is not or he isn't. They are there, they are there. And negative, they are not or aren't, they aren't. So you may need to practice saying those shortened words. So it's your turn. In a moment, I'm going to get you to do some speaking, and you're going to make some positive and negative sentences about your holiday plans, using the pictures to help you. But before you do that, let's have a look at my sentences, my holiday plans. So I'm going to use I'm talking about myself. I'm going to shorten this word to I'm not. This is negative. I'm not going to Mexico. Okay, I'm not, and then we've got the verb go plus ing. I'm not going to Mexico. Don't forget we use this word to when we're talking about places. That's my negative sentence. But my positive sentence, I'm going to Suffolk. Perhaps you've heard of Suffolk before. This is in the southeast of England. Suffolk, or the east coast actually, more, yeah, it's more on the east coast of England. I'm not going by plane. I'm going by car. I'm driving to Suffolk. I'm not going in July. I'm going in August. So let's have a look at those prepositions there for time. In July, in August. So we use those prepositions for months of the year. And if we're talking about transport, we use these words by plane, by car. So I'd like you to perhaps you could write these sentences first, or just practice making positive and negative sentences about your holiday plans. Okay, next we're going to look at questions. Asking and answering questions. And here we have Ellie's diary about her plans for next week, her preparation plans for our holiday. And we're going to think about making questions and answers. So, first of all, we need a question word. We start our question with a question word. And this question word is where. And if you remember, where asks about a place, like where are you from, or where do you live? And we're going to make a question using present continuous for future use. Now this S here, what do you think that's short for? Yes, that's right, it's short for is. Where is or where's Ellie going, don't forget the verb plus ing, on Monday morning. Another preposition here. We use on with days and parts of days of the week. Where's Ellie going on Monday morning? Let's have a look at the diary sheet to find the answer. Let's have a look. Monday. Here we are. So she's just written a short note in her diary, not a full sentence, a short note. She's, which is short for she is. She is or she's going to the travel agent. So, hopefully that will help you make your questions. We've got another question word here, who. And this question word asks about people, names of people. Who meet Tuesday afternoon? So you need to write the full question using the present continuous for future use. And then you need to give an answer. Don't forget you need to read the diary sheet to find the answer to this question. And number 3, what time? See the doctor Wednesday. Make a full question like number 1 and then give the answer. If you look at Wednesday, the answer's there. Try to write a full sentence for your answer. So pause the video now. Write your questions and answers on paper and read the diary sheet to help you. We have some more questions on this page. 4, what do Thursday? Again, make a question, look at the diary sheet, give an answer, write a sentence. 5, how? Travel to airport. 6, where? Flying to. Question and answer you need to write on paper. Pause now. How did you do? Let's check. So number 2, whose or who is she meeting on Tuesday afternoon? That was the question. So we've shortened who is to whose, but if you've written who is, that's fine. Who is or who's she meeting on Tuesday afternoon? She's or she is meeting Ed and Lucy. Can you see? What times or what time is she seeing? Again, the verb plus ing. The doctor on Wednesday. She's seeing the doctor at 11 a.m. AM, does that mean morning or afternoon? Morning, good. Here we've got the answer. Let's have a look at the answer to these questions. What's or what is she doing on Thursday? She's leaving work early and packing her bags. Can you see Thursday? How's or how is she travelling to the airport? Travelling. We've doubled the L there, so be careful of your spelling. She's travelling by taxi. Can you see? Where's she flying to, or where is she flying to? She's flying to Mexico. And all that information is here. Okay, how did you do? Practice the present continuous for future use. If you're not going on holiday, you can talk about your plans. If you're staying at home, what are you doing in the holiday? Or what are you doing next week? So practice making sentences about that, positive and negative sentences. Thank you.